AI app. So let's try to install widgets. I have this is upgraded version, and they have widgets. So just hold the empty area, tap plus, search for AI, tap it, and then you can add the overview widget. And then, for example, let's just search for it. So AI, it works. It picks up, seems like that. General info or detail info. So for example, I can just add it in here. Well, I was a bit too fast to congratulate it. No, seems it's not actually picking up. I don't know why. So maybe you need to restart the app or something, but you got the idea. So you get strict. This widget helps you stay on track with your current streak. General info. This widget shows your daily calorie macro intake, provides an interface to easily log foods, and detail info. This widget shows your daily protein, carbs, and provides an interface to easily log foods. So that's basically the idea in here.